In this video, I'll show you how you can download CapCut on your laptop or computer. So first, open up your web browser. So I'm on Google Chrome and we are on the Google search engine. Go ahead and search for CapCut. Once you've done that, you should be able to see it. It will be CapCut.com. You can click on their official website. Here you can try it online, or you can go ahead and click on download, which should be on the homepage or in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to this window and then the installation wizard will start to install. If it doesn't, click here and you'll see it. On Chrome, as you can see, I've got the installation wizard, which we can go ahead and view and then open. If you can't view it, you can just go to File Explorer and go to your downloads folder. Once you've ran the installation wizard, it will then count upwards to 100%. After that, it will test your environment to see if you can run it, and then it should open CapCut. Here we can see CapCut icon has appeared and we're just testing the environment so we can run it smoothly. We can click on confirm, then CapCut will open. We can then create our project and start editing in CapCut.